Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to use Google Gemini in lock screen. So let's begin. Alright, to use Google Gemini in lock screen, first of all what we have to do, we have to search for Google. Alright, and on every Android phone, Google is installed by default. So we're gonna tap on Google. And now what we have to do, we have to tap on our profile. Now we have to tap on settings. So in the settings, what we have to do, we have to tap on Gemini. So in Gemini, we need to scroll down and you will be able to see the option of Gemini on lock screen. So we have to tap on that. So by default, Gemini is enabled on lock screen. But if on your phone it is disabled, just like this, what you have to do, you just have to enable this. And also, if you want to make calls and send messages with the help of Gemini on the lock screen, you can also enable this as well. But I don't want to make any calls on send messages without unlocking. So I'm gonna keep it like this. So we have enabled our Gemini on our lock screen. So now we're gonna do our lock screen here. All right. So as you can see here that I'm on my lock screen on my mobile. Now to use Gemini, I have to call the Google. So hey Google, and you'll be able to see that we can use our Gemini here. But unfortunately, since I'm using my mic in the screen recording, I won't be able to use the voice functionality of Gemini right now, but you will be able to do that without any hassle. So we're going to simply ask, what's the weather today? And you'll be able to see that we are getting a proper response from Google Gemini without unlocking the screen. So this is how we can use Google Gemini in lock screen. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.